Hello everyone, this is the Gadget Man with Discovering in Color. And today, got a little short video for you on how to resume the good flows in your water filters. Start with a little history lesson. Many years ago, I used to use this little pump type filters right here. And whenever you got a slow flow or you had to change them out, you would unscrew this little thing right here, pop a filter out, put a new filter in. Then came along new technology, because I got tired of doing that. And it came out with these different filters with the built-in micro filters there to filter out all the cryptosporidium, all that technical terms and stuff, all the bad stuff that's going to basically cause you diseases, diarrhea, put you in an early grave, whatever it is. So they came out with these here. I like these Sawyer ones right here, and I especially like this BeFree here. But what I found out was that after using them a couple of times, they tended to slow down in the flow, especially the BeFree. So after one or two hikes with this BeFree, I noticed a significant reduction in the flow that was coming through these. And I use all of their suggestions to rinse it out, do all that kind of stuff. I use the back flush here for the Sawyer, this little mini Sawyer and the Sawyer squeeze. I did all that kind of stuff, but I was still having flow problems. Then did a little research, and I found out what was happening was when you're out in the woods and using water or water from springs and those type of things, they have minerals in them. And those minerals will tend to block these micropores over time, especially if you let it dry out. And I usually let my things dry out after a camp out. I just don't want stuff to grow in there. But inside the Sawyers and inside these BeFrees, these little micromembranes, those minerals will get in there and they will actually block the pores. And that's what was causing the low flow problems. So to solve it, I went to my friend vinegar here. And one of the properties of vinegar is it breaks up mineral deposits. So I took some of that for the Sawyers. I put it inside of the cleaning plunge here. Just basically filled it up right here. I took it, plunged out both of these Sawyers right here. And I did it twice because they said do it once. I saw it on another YouTube video. I'm not going to bookmark that because you're not my channel. But it's another Sawyer, I filled the Sawyer with vinegar and I flushed it through right here. And then I let it set for about 10 or 15 minutes. For the BeFree, what I did was I took some vinegar and I basically filled up a little container. I just sat the BeFree on the inside of it. And I let that sit for 15 or 20 minutes. And then when it was over, I took it out, rinsed everything with clean water. It takes a lot of rinsing to get the vinegar taste out of these. I plunged it. I used filter bags, ran a bag of clean filter water through it both ways to get that vinegar out there. And it took a significant amount of flushes to get that vinegar taste out of here. But what I found was the flow resumed to pretty much what it was when I first bought these. So that is the thing you can do, and you can do it periodically. Take these, use vinegar, run it through it, let it sit, and those mineral deposits were pretty much completely removed. So that's the tip for this week, and I'll come back with some more videos now that I am healed from my hip surgery. In next year, sometime next year, spring, summer, I'll get back to hiking again as soon as the doc clears me to do all that kind of stuff. So that's it. The Gadget Man with Discovering in Color, and thank you very much for watching.